Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video we are going to go over Cascades. Cascades is just an easy way to read a series of methods all on the same object. So let's create an object, computer equals new computer, okay? Here it is, it's the USB, so here are our members right here. I have a getter, so bool video card, either true or false. If video card equals true, return a. If video card equals else, if it's false, or null, return no. So what I have in the method summary, it says you have a color computer with integer USB ports. Have card, it's either A or no, a video card or no video card, and use double watts of power. Okay? So I'm going to say computer dot USB equals 4. Okay? And then I'm going to say computer dot color equals green. And I'm going to say computer dot video card equals true. And computer dot watts equals 180.54. Okay? And then print computer dot summary. You have a green computer with 4 USB ports, a video card, and use 180.4 watts of power. Okay? But if we look for syntactic sugar, right, we're going to try to make this as simple as possible. So I have to write computer.usb, computer 4 times. Is there an easier way to do this, an easier way to read it? And that's where Cascades actually comes in. So if you remember, every time you use the method here to the right of the dot, it affects immediately the object in front of it. Okay, so if you want to do computer.usb, instead of a dot, what we'll do is 2 dots. Okay? Equals 2 this time around, but you don't actually use a colon because you want to keep going on. Dot dot color. Let's delete all these. Equals blue. Don't use a semicolon because you're not done with it. Dot dot video card equals false, and dot dot watts equals 300.3. Let's format this a little bit better. Okay, so if we look at it here, here is the object, and it's just easier to read that. Okay, and it's nice and easy to do something like that. So you can, instead of doing a single dot, because if you put a single dot here and then a single dot here, it's kind of like saying computer.usb.color.video card. And what you're doing is each method is operating on the previous object. This is operating on this. That's not what you want. You want everything to refer to the original object. And that's why we use a double dot instead of 1 dot. Okay? So if you did 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot, it'll say variable type double cannot be assigned. So basically, it's saying the same thing. It'll operate on the previous value, not on the original object. So that's syntactically 2 dots. Okay? And then a semicolon at the very end. That's all there is to it. If you do that, same thing. You have a blue computer with 2 USB ports, no video card, and use 300.3 watts of power. That's what Cascades are. It may seem um, just in this example, it's pretty nice. It's pretty straightforward. Once we start getting into web programming, though, it becomes, and we talk about HTML elements, it becomes a lot easier to read these things as opposed to seeing computer dot or whatever the element, whatever the object is, dot all throughout the programming, all throughout the program itself. Okay, thank you.